Hello friends, welcome to my channel Flavors Ka Tadka. Today I am sharing a very healthy chaat recipe with you which is high in protein, fiber, iron and omega-3 fats which will help you to feel fuller for a much longer time. In this recipe there is no much cooking involved. You can pre-prep and keep the ingredients in fridge and assemble the chaat whenever you want to enjoy it. Let's quickly have a look on the ingredients what we need to prepare this chaat. Here I have taken a bowl of boiled chickpea, half a bowl of boiled sweet potatoes, roasted sesame seeds, roasted flax seeds, roasted pumpkin seed, chaat masala, chili flakes, salt to taste, black salt, freshly roasted jeera powder, a juice of a lemon, a small piece of jaggery, few coriander leaves and small pieces of raw mango and curd as per the requirement. Let's quick assemble the chaat. I have taken a mixing bowl and in that I have taken 3 to 4 spoon of curd and I will whisk it nicely to get a smooth texture of curd. I'm adding a small piece of jaggery and I will mix it in the curd so that it dissolves well. And I will give it a quick mix for a minute or so. As soon as the jaggery is dissolved, I will add salt as per the taste, black salt, roasted jeera powder and chaat masala. Again I will mix it nicely so that everything is combines well and it gives a creamy texture to the curd. Now I will add the pieces of raw mango. Give it a mix. At this stage, I will quickly check on the seasoning and adjust if required. And I will give it a quick mix so that I get a creamy texture of this dressing. Now I'm adding the boiled chickpea and the boiled sweet potato. I'll mix it nicely so that boiled potato and chickpeas are nicely coated with this dressing. Now I'm mixing this gently for a half a minute or so that all the flavors are combined well. Now I'm adding chili flakes as per my taste. You can adjust the chili flakes and you can also add green chilies if required. I have added some jeera powder also. Now I'm adding the chopped coriander leaves. We'll again mix it properly. Now adding all the roasted seed, pumpkin seed, flax seeds and sesame seed. You can also use other seeds like peanuts, almonds and cashews as per your taste and the requirement. After adding it, I will give it a nice mix. And at the last I will squeeze the juice of a lemon and the half of the lemon is enough I think, so I'm using half of a lemon only and I will mix it nicely so that all the flavors are combined well. Now I will dish it out in a serving bowl. You can enjoy this recipe at normal temperature or you can have it cold. In both the cases it will taste yummy. I will garnish it now with some chaat masala, some roasted sesame seeds, some pumpkin seeds and some chili flakes. Now the yummy, healthy and easy chaat is ready to be served. You can enjoy it with family and friends. I can bet that after trying this chaat, you will never crave for the outside chaat. Please definitely give it a try and share your experience with me. I will see you soon with my next recipe. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy and stay safe. Bye-bye.